The occupational activity a man performs according to his own position are only as much as useless labor if they do not provoke attraction for the message of personality of Godhead. So, being a laborer is not a problem, because we all know we have to labor, whether it's labor, hard work on the street or whatever, we have to labor. But useless labor is stupid. I mean, if you're digging a road where it's not required, and you say, "Oh, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ मैं," stupid, right? Because your work is of no use. You are just sweating it out right in the middle of the road, which is of no use. So many times, most of the time, people in this world, they work very hard, foaming at the mouth, as is explained. When you work hard, obviously, the outcome of working hard is you foam at your mouth. And you work hard so much that you start foaming at your mouth. And you work hard for what? For nothing. Because it is Shrama eva hi kevalam. Because this is the verdict of the Bhagavatam. Please understand, my dear friends. This is not the verdict of anything else. If you read other books, you will have some other verdicts. But it depends upon whose verdict you really want to follow. But the fact that you all have come for Bhagavatam class, and we understand that we all want to follow the verdict of the Bhagavatam. Am I right? Otherwise, there are so many other verdicts. I mean, you have hundreds of other verdicts, and you might as well go to those places where you find those verdicts. But let us understand what is the verdict of the Bhagavatam. And Bhagavatam clearly establishes from first word of the first verse of the first chapter of the first canto, right till the end, that the only purpose of life, the only purpose of whatever we do is to develop attraction for the Lord, because that is the purpose of life.